I'll show you how you can get server tags on your Discord server. So when you want to get a Discord server tag, you first have to go to your HE server here. And on your server, you want to go ahead and go to server boost. Now on server boost, to unlock custom tags, you will need to get a 6 boost or 7 boost one here, right? So you can get a custom role icons here. Now, after you have boost, so you will have to boost. So you can tap on this to boost the server. Or if you have a server that's pretty active, some members might just boost on their own. If you want to boost the server, just tap on this button and then you'll be charged around this much. This is about $5 or $1. Now you can boost this server. Now once your server is boosted, you can go ahead and go to your server settings here, and then you can go to server tag settings. Now on server tag settings here, you can set things like the name, the image as well. And then after that's done, that's it. You're done. You can get a custom server tag now. Again though, it does need to be boosted. The server need to be boosted. So you'll have to get around 7 boosts. So one super boost costs around about $2, $3. So you'll have to get around 6 or 7 boosts, and then you can unlock server tags on your Discord server.